I've been wanting to do a video for a while about our new skates. These are the traditional ones that you use from CJ. So if car stuck in park, handbrake stuck in, whenever you drop these down, they're self-jacking onto the wheels, the car will roll up. These are a similar set, well, these are their standard set from Prolux. They, you jack up the car wheels onto it and then it'll roll up. And these are supposedly freewheel skates. So an automatic car, you only need one of these. And the idea is that one wheel will roll while the other wheel rolls the other way, and it'll be able to roll up onto the truck, no problem. So I haven't had a real world scenario for this set. So I would say we have a little automatic Micra here. I'm going to try it on today. So here is the car in question. 2001 Micra automatic. So again, we know we can get these out of park fairly handy, but for today's experiment we're going to pretend that it's just stuck in park. I'll leave it the way it is. So these ones aren't self-jacking like the CJ ones, so jack it up, skate underneath, and then let it down. So let's see if she'll roll by pushing it. Not really. So this is her under the power of the window. I have it going slow, obviously, but she's moving automatic. You can see this wheel is turning back here, doing what it's supposed to do. She is still in park, but she's moving. I see this wheel here is going forward, working off the principle that with one wheel freewheeling, the other one will be the one wheel going backwards, the other wheel will be going forwards. So get out to a car that's stuck in park, and I should work with whatever model, not necessarily just Nissan. Should be able to just use one skate instead of two skates. But having said that, I did try and push it, and it was quite difficult to push on its own, even a little Micra. So without the power of the winch, you're going to struggle, I think. But so it's right at the bottom of the bed there now, and we do carry ramps, but just to show, well, just to see how easy it is to get it up and down off the bed of a ramp, how easy it's going to roll onto the bed, and how easy it's going to roll off on its own. So still in park, handbrake off. Alright, so it was just the front wheels coming onto the back of the bed. Maisie, get down! Come here! And that's it, she is up. So that's it, all four wheels are on. I wouldn't go too far up because it does have to come back off. Again, she does only go on straight, so line it up as best you can when you're using it. And now for back off, let's see how she goes. Obviously you want to not leave too much slack on the winch letting it off. Otherwise it may just roll off. It is slow going, but it is definitely rolling off. She's just after falling at the last hurdle there. Yeah, so give her a little nudge to get the last bit off. She still has the winch on her, obviously. There you go. And that's it, she's off. I'd say it will be made a bit smoother using in the yard. The label is broke off it, but it was broke before we got it. But that's her in drive now, or neutral now, sorry, drive now. And there we go. She is driving perfectly well. Back into reverse. No problems whatsoever. So if you're asking whether or not this is going to do damage to the gearbox, so far, no, definitely not. And I was messing about with this car a good bit, like so, and nothing having still driving. There's no clicks, no noises, no nothing. So should be good.